Hello, and welcome to CodeU. What is CodeU? CodeU is a free jobs training program that is available to anyone who is at least 18, eligible to work in the United States, and lives in one of our regions. For a full list of counties, please check out our website, codeu.org. CodeU is provided at no cost to the student. All costs associated with the program are funded by grants from the City of Louisville, Department of Commerce, and Department of Labor. The goals of the program are to help you develop the skills to transition to a job in technology with the help of weekly meetups, online learning, and the development of projects. We also help provide you with the resources to make yourself successful with job readiness activities, workshops, and the assistance of technical career coaches. You do not need any experience to participate in CodeU, but you do need basic computer-based tech skills and, most importantly, the drive to answer questions. Students who succeed in CodeU will need the following: a solid understanding of computer fundamentals, at least 10 to 15 hours of study time, access to a laptop or desktop computer, and a webcam and microphone for participating in meetups. A full list of computer requirements are available on our website. If you do not have a laptop or desktop computer, we do have a limited number of learner laptops available that you might be able to borrow from. Participants who go through CodeU gain access to basic programming skills, preparation for a career in technology, and access to mentors who work in the industry, as well as dedicated technical career coaches and a community of supportive staff and volunteers. The lessons are self-directed. You must be willing to learn on your own and ask for assistance if you need it. CodeU practices a flipped classroom where you will do the assignments first and then come to meetups with your questions. CodeU is based on a non-traditional learning model. Rather than teachers with a lesson plan, you will have mentors who are there to help you submit your knowledge. And finally, our meetups are blended with individuals of all different skill levels. To get started with CodeU, you must first apply, then be invited to pre-work. Pre-work serves several purposes, including introducing you to the types of activities and assignments you will expect to see during the program. This also allows us to see that you are able to complete the activities and assignments in a timely manner. Pre-work consists of around 15 hours of learning and knowledge assessments in open class, as well as hands-on activities in GitHub and pseudocode activities. This is an example of the learn and check format that we use in open class. Each lesson will start out with several paragraphs on the topic, then a short knowledge check to evaluate your understanding. At the end of each module will be an overall assessment that covers the main topics you have just learned. After pre-work, staff will review your completion and send out a congratulations email with next step. Students will complete an additional enrollment survey and choose their class nights. All classes are held on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, or Thursdays from 6 to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Sessions start 3 times per year in January, May, and August. Depending on when you finish pre-work, you may be added to our Slack community while you wait for your class to start. Orientation will be the week before classes start, and all students start with Introduction to Programming. Introduction to Programming is 6 weeks of basic concepts led by staff and student mentors. Just like pre-work, it is set up in the learn and check format. The purpose of Introduction to Programming is to make sure everyone has a firm foundation of knowledge before they move into their desired pathway. After completing the intro module, participants will choose a learning pathway that best fits their interest and career goals. Each pathway consists of 4 modules that build on one another to progress from beginner to more advanced concepts. We connect participants with mentors who are experienced developers and who can give guidance on what it takes to work in tech. Participants can expect to spend around 10 to 15 hours of time each week on their work, including a virtual weekly meetup with mentors and fellow participants. Which pathways are available changes from cohort to cohort, depending on mentor availability and what the industry can support in our regions. We will announce which pathways are available during your orientation. A general timeline of the program is as follows. After pre-work, introduction to programming lasts 6 weeks, and then you choose your pathway. Most pathways consist of 3 5-week modules, and then a 4-week capstone module devoted to building your final project. Throughout the session, there will be built-in workshops and other career readiness activities. We offer job search assistance throughout the program and for all of our graduates afterwards. It's a tough program, but it is worth it. We have had almost 2,500 graduates since we started 10 years ago and have helped over 1,000 students get their first job in technology. The average starting wage is between $45,000 and $55,000 a year, though many graduates have either started at $70,000 or earned that after their first year. But you don't have to take our word for it.
Hi, my name is Michael. I work for Childers Oil Company and I am a web developer. Like, we come to work and it's not even like work, it's like a game because we're just playing around with either numbers or playing around with data or just clicking and playing around with just pretty much anything and everything. So it's more or less almost like a hobby now instead of me coming in and like grinding my 8 to 5 and being miserable all day. So it's really nice. Being able to spend time with my family and be a lot less stressed is pretty good. I've enjoyed that probably the most. Anytime he would find a job that he thought was good for me, I was a fit for, he'd immediately send it over, and we'd do like a quick pre-interview if I had an interview or anything like that lined up. And he was he was my crutch. I don't know what else to say about him other than he's really mainly the reason that I got the job, because I would have never found it outside of him. So.
We have a wide range of people here to help you succeed, from our community coordinators and technical career coaches to our partnership with SOAR. SOAR is our partner in the 54 counties in eastern Kentucky. They have several additional programs that they offer. Their Eastern Kentucky Talent Network can connect you with employment. Their Generations program teaches software as a service. Their SOAR Innovation program provides assistance with starting a small business. And every year in August, they hold the SOAR Summit to discuss economic growth in the region. Welcome to CodeU. We are glad to have you join us. If you have any questions, please reach out to info@codeu.org. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon.